Hey there! Today, we are diving into OpenAI's latest move, the ChatGPT Search Chrome extension. Is it a game changer or just another search hijacker? We all know the usual search engines, right? Google, Bing, and a few others. Traditional search engines are great at giving us a list of links, but they often leave us sifting through pages and pages of results to find what we really need. So, OpenAI recently launched ChatGPT Search, aiming to provide real-time answers to your queries. To integrate this into your browser, they've introduced a Chrome extension that sets ChatGPT as your default search engine. Once installed, this extension transforms your Chrome address bar into a direct line to ChatGPT's AI-powered search, delivering real-time, conversational answers. Simply type your query, and ChatGPT provides concise information, eliminating the need to sift through multiple links. Now, you might wonder, why this approach? Well, Google has its own search engine and integrates AI results directly at the top. ChatGPT doesn't have that luxury, so they've taken the extension route to get in on the action. Are there any downsides? While the extension isn't harmful, it doesn't offer much beyond changing your search defaults. Can we trust AI-generated responses, or could we be fed misinformation? It's a double-edged sword that we need to consider. Some users have raised concerns. The extension modifies Chrome's default search settings, redirecting all address bar searches through ChatGPT Search. This behavior resembles that of search hijackers, which can be unsettling for users accustomed to their preferred search engines. OpenAI clarifies that this design aims to integrate AI capabilities directly into your browsing experience, offering a seamless alternative to traditional search engines. If you prefer to maintain your original search settings, you can easily adjust them in Chrome's preferences. So, before you jump on the extension, consider if it's really adding value. Have you tried ChatGPT Search? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments below.